Could humans survive without the sun? The answer is a definitive no. Without the sun, we would literally become a wandering Earth. But just how important is the sun to us? And what would happen if it suddenly vanished? First, let's look at the gifts the sun gives to Earth. The first gift is, without a doubt, the habitable zone. This is the area around a star where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. The sun's habitable zone ranges from roughly 0.95 to 1.37 astronomical units, AU. Earth sits at the perfect position of exactly 1 AU. This location provides us with liquid oceans, mild temperatures, and a stable climate system. If Earth were even slightly closer or further away, the environment would change drastically. Take Venus, for example. Venus is about 0.72 AU from the Sunday. It is only 0.28 AU closer than Earth. That distance seems small, yet their fates are worlds apart. Because it is too hot, Venus's oceans evaporated completely. Water vapor is a powerful greenhouse gas. It trapped more heat, causing temperatures to climb further. Eventually, carbon dioxide built up, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. Today, its surface temperature reaches 460 degrees Celsius. The atmospheric pressure there is 92 times that of Earth. No oceans, no weather, no hope for life. Now, look at Mars, which is further away. Mars sits at 1.52 AU, just outside the edge of the habitable zone. Its problem isn't heat, it's the cold. Mars is too small to hold onto a thick atmosphere. Water cannot remain liquid for long. Most of its atmosphere was stripped away by solar winds. The average surface temperature is a freezing -63 degrees Celsius. It also lacks a strong magnetic field for protection. Therefore, being in the habitable zone is the greatest gift a mother star can give to life. More importantly, the sun provides energy. All energy on Earth, everything you see, hear, and breathe, comes from the Sunday. The sun doesn't just light up the Earth, it is Earth's engine. The flow of the oceans, the changing of seasons, the falling of rain, the metabolism of organisms, and the miracle of photosynthesis, all this energy begins with the Sunday. Furthermore, the sun itself is a protector. You might think the sun only hurts Earth by blasting solar winds. In reality, the sun is both a threat and a guardian. These solar winds create a massive bubble called the heliosphere. It acts as an invisible shield, blocking high-energy cosmic rays from the rest of the galaxy. Keep in mind, the sun is carrying Earth through the Milky Way at 220 kilometers per second. Without the protection of the solar wind, Earth would be pierced by cosmic rays at any moment. Life could never have emerged. So, the sun is not just Earth's shield, it is the guardian of the entire solar system. But what if the sun suddenly disappeared? Earth would continue to function normally for 8 minutes. Humans wouldn't feel anything unusual. Then, the last beam of light from the sun would reach us. The entire sky would go dark, as if someone flipped a switch. Day would instantly turn into eternal night. The last ray of sunlight you see would become the loneliest light in the history of Earth. Then, Earth would break its orbit. In that moment, not only does the light vanish, but the sun's gravity vanishes too. Earth would no longer travel in a circle. It would fly off into the depths of the universe in a straight line. We would be like a ball released from a spinning chain. We would leave our home and become an orphan planet drifting in the Milky Way. Without solar radiation, Earth would cool at a terrifying speed. All plants would die. Every ecosystem that relies on sunlight would collapse. Earth would become a rogue planet, Wandering alone in the galaxy, like a child pushed out of their home, we would drift through the endless interstellar void. No direction, no sense of belonging. There is even a possibility that Earth could collide with another planet in the solar system, triggering a cosmic explosion. Therefore, the sun is not just a light in the sky, it is the essence of life itself. We are used to treating the sun as a background. We take its daily rising and setting for granted. But by the standards of the universe, a planet landing exactly in the habitable zone is a miracle. To have liquid water, stable rotation, a proper energy supply, and such a gentle, steady star, the probability is incredibly low. So, the next time you look up at the sun, remember, you aren't just looking at a star, you are looking at the entire reason life exists.